Hello travelers, so today I'm going to do this really quick unboxing video to show you what you get in the trtl Deep Sleep Bundle. Now this is a bundle they sell on their website, which is currently, I believe, discounted, so I'll put a link down below if you want to check out the current pricing. But you get in this very nice box. I have already gone ahead and unpackaged things from their inside package, but I will just show you briefly what you do get inside. And you get this very handy card which details what you get also inside. So basically I'll just walk you through what you do get here. So the first thing you get, which I think is very interesting, is this here. It's just a flask. Now this flask has an interesting design, which is this sort of clip here, which is designed to fit onto airplane seats. So it clips onto, that card pocket where the emergency evacuation instructions are. So you can just flip that on there and it'll just stay there on the back of your seat, which is a very interesting design. And inside the top compartment here is actually like a little compartment for, multivitamins, pills, or you could also put like foam earbuds or something in there. And then you can unscrew the whole thing to get inside. And it is actually insulated, so it will keep things hot or cool depending on what you put in there. You also get this little lanyard which you can take off that kind of helps you hold the bottle, and in case you drop it, you won't lose it. Now the second item you get here, which is listed on the card, is the sleep mask, which is one of the things I'm most excited to try. I will be doing individual reviews on all of these things. Let me know in the comments which particular one you're most interested in. This is the sleep mask, and it's very lightweight and it comes folded up like this, but you can fold it again and put it in your pocket. It's very soft, feels very well made. It also comes with these foam noise cancelling earbuds, which I thought was a very nice touch. It also comes with a card here just detailing how to use it and what you get in the box and the different components. So I'll just quickly show you what those components are. So this is the front of the mask. It has this flaps which you can actually lift up. So this is like slightly translucent, so you can kind of see the light through it. So you can kind of block out the light and then lift it up and see whether the cabin lights are on or off. And you can kind of vaguely make out faces and stuff, but I will be testing that more a bit later on. And then the Velcro on the back here is very nice, and it's kind of like a flat, smooth Velcro, but very grippy, grips onto this very well. And then the eye cups themselves are actually raised slightly. They are very soft. Everything in this is very soft. You could scrunch it all up. But the eye cups are actually raised, so you can actually blink. It doesn't feel restrictive on your face, which is a really good feature. Now these eye cups also have Velcro on, so you can actually move them around closer together or further apart to get the best comfort for your face, which I think is just a really great design. I'm really looking forward to reviewing those. And the other thing is they come with this really nice little bag here, so you can just slip them in with the earbuds and you roll that closed. And it also has this clip here which you could clip onto your bag, but I would probably just put them in this pocket or even just in the side pocket of a backpack or something. Now trtl actually have 3 different pillows. The original, the Plus, which I reviewed, and this new one here, which is the Cool pillow. I'll just briefly show you what the differences are. They have a really handy card here. So if you want to pause and take a look there, you can see the main differences between the original and the Cool and the Plus. The Plus has more adjustability for the height. The Cool is more of a cooling material, so you don't feel sweaty. And the original is just like made from felt material, but it is the lightest weight, so it's actually my favorite. So again, you get this really nice little bag. It's like a bigger version of the one the eye mask comes in. It also has a little clip to clip it onto the outside of the bag if you want. Again, the Velcro is a very soft, premium feeling Velcro. And so this is the Cool pillow. And just feeling it is extremely smooth and does feel very premium, very well made. And they actually ship it like this with a protector on the Velcro. So it's got this little thin layer so you can take that off. This Velcro is a little bit thicker, like it's still smooth, but it feels like a bit more raised, so it has more grip when you are wrapping it around your neck onto this part here. On the inside, they also show you how to wrap it around if you haven't used one before. Of course, then that folds out, and this part here is all made from a very nice, it's so soft, like it's incredibly soft and premium feeling material, and it has a lot of padding around it as well. There is also a little zip here, so you can actually unzip that and access the inner portion, the support portion, if you wanted to take that out and sort of wash it in a hand washer or washing machine. So again, that fits really nicely into its little own bag here. Just go ahead and roll that closed, squeeze the air out, and you got a really nice little compact package. So the other item you have here is this one, which is the mini wrap. Now this is like a kind of a insulated blanket. It wraps up to about the same size as the Uniqlo down jacket. This is a Uniqlo down jacket that I reviewed a few years ago. Still use it all the time for winter. It's like great layering. But you can see it's almost like 1.5 of those, but both feel similar weight, very nice. And you can see here it's 375 grams, so pretty lightweight. Now I won't unfold that now, but I will be doing a separate review on all of these items in an upcoming trip, so stay tuned for that one. The last item you get, of course, is 2 pairs of these socks. Now these are actually bamboo. They have a bamboo fiber in them, so they are very cool and comfortable, and they feel very durable as well. So that's it, just a really quick unboxing, and like I said, I will be doing a review mainly perhaps on each individual item, or these pairs of items like these or these or these. So do let me know which ones you're particularly interested in seeing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.